Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Morning,
morning.
sir.
Good morning.
Sir.
Good morning. Okay.
Sir, we will continue our extra questions.
All the students have come, joined the meeting. रह गए हैं बच्चे अभी. There are only 6 students. Still only 6. चलो. Let's start. No problem. Yes, beta, you were asking something.
Sir, we will continue our extra questions.
No, beta, we will start with the new topic, which is prime numbers, composite numbers, and co-prime numbers. Have I made you write down any? Yes. Before starting the exercise, I want to know that have you all written the definitions? क्या करा था बेटा? Last क्या किया था? ध्वनि, please show me your copy. Last हमने what we have done last in the class.
Last class, sir.
Yes, what we did.
Sir, we have done extra question 1, 16
Okay.
and 14.
We have not written the definition of prime numbers.
No, sir.
No.
No,
Okay.
sir.
So all of you open page number 32. Open page number 32 in your copies. Everyone, in your books, open page number 32 in your books.
Sir, open.
On page number 32, you can see the heading prime and composite numbers. Can you see the heading prime and composite numbers?
Yes, sir.
In this, you have to write the definition of prime numbers. You can mark it in the book only and then note it down in your copies. So prime numbers की definition लिखनी है. You have to write the definition of composite numbers. Then third, you have to write the definition of co-primes. Co-primes दिख गया आपको? देखिए ध्यान से देखिए. Composite numbers के just नीचे co-primes. There is the definition of co-primes also. दिख गई? So these 3 definitions you have to write down. Don't write the definition of twin primes. Twin primes की definition आपको नहीं लिखनी है. Okay. So write the definition of prime numbers, composite numbers, and co-primes. These 3 definitions you have to write. Sorry.
We have to write examples also.
No, मतलब ये जो टेबल बुक में बना हुआ है that you don't have to make. बाकी सब कुछ लिखना है. Don't make this table, okay? बाकी सब कुछ लिखना.
So, please tell that on 28th date what we have done in the copy.
28th.
Yes, sir.
28th May को. बेटा ध्वनि,
Yes,
can you
sir.
please help her? क्या किया था हमने 28th को?
Yes, sir.
28th,
Please tell her.
31.
Sir, just see. Sir, we have not done 20. Our class was not on 28, 27. Exercise 3.2 in notebook.
सैटरडे को क्या किया था? But you are asking for Saturday or Monday yesterday?
So I am asking of 29th date.
29th, which was Saturday, I think. 29th it was Saturday.
Yes, sir, it was Saturday.
Dhwani, please tell her what we did on Saturday, 29th.
Around 29, we have done exercise 3.2 D part.
We did exercise 3.2 question D on 29th.
And sir, we have done exercise 3.3.
First and
Exercise
second part.
3.3.
In
We
copy
also
or in notebook or book?
in the copy. We did exercise 3.3, first, second, and third question in the copy also. Okay. Or if you start writing the definitions.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I hope you all are writing the definitions in your copies.
Yes,
Sir, it is
sir.
definition.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, have you all done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
is there anyone who is still doing?
No, sir.
Anyone is still doing?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so since all of you have done, let us start with exercise 3.4. I will explain all the three terms. ये जो तीनों terms की मैंने definition आपको note कराई है copy में. I will explain all of them while doing the exercises. जब हम exercise करेंगे तभी मैं आपको तीनों चीजों का मतलब समझाऊंगा, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay. With the help of the questions, I
Sir,
will.
in,
Yes. Any
sir, in
doubt?
exercise 3.3, there is only one question that HCF one.
Sorry. There is only
Sir,
one
I was saying
question.
that.
Yes. So you have to find the HCF in all the parts of exercise 3.3. Okay. Okay, exercise 3.4, we have to start. In this, let us start with question A. Find whether the following numbers are prime or composite. बहुत easy है. The first one is 39. We have to tell whether this number is a prime number or a composite number. For this, very simple steps are there. First, you write all the, you have to do this in your copies. Okay. First, you write all the factors of the number. What are the factors of 39? 1, 3, 13, and 39 itself. These are the factors of 39. Okay. अब factors लिखने के बाद you count the number of factors. How many factors 39 have? It has 4
So it
factors.
has three factors.
4 factors, beta. 1, 3, 13, and 39. 4 factors are there. So whenever a number has more than 2 factors, अगर किसी भी नंबर के 2 से ज्यादा फैक्टर होते हैं, 2 से ज्यादा फैक्टर्स होते हैं, then the number is a composite number. इतना सिंपल है. This is what you have written in your copies also. Definition लिखी थी आपने. What was the
Yes,
definition?
sir.
Composite numbers
So the definition
are those
Are
that
those
have
number which only
are those that numbers that have more than two
more than
factors.
two factors?
So this number has 4 factors, therefore this is a composite number. So we can say that 39 is a composite number. Understood?
So we have to write the answer in this method only, like in this way only.
Yes, write it in this manner only. जैसे मैंने लिखा है, in the same manner you write it. Okay, do the second part of the question on your own. अपने आप try करिए. First do the first one, जो मैंने जो board पे करा है इसको करो पहले, and then you do the second part on your own. Do the second part yourself, all of you. Everyone is doing the second part.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have done.
Okay, tell me your answer. Is it a composite number or a prime number?
So the 55 is the composite number because 55 has three factors, 1, 5 and 55.
It's correct that 55 is a composite number, but it has more than 3 factors. और भी है. Think and write.
Sir, in this we have to write the factor till it did not end.
Beta, you have to write all the possible factors of the number. Suppose 55 is the number, जितने भी उसके factors हैं सारे लिखो उसके, and then you decide whether it is a composite number or a prime number. If suppose a number has only 2 factors, किसी number के सिर्फ 2 factor हैं, then it is prime. And if the number has more than 2 factors, then it is composite. ठीक है?
So is 3 a factor of 55?
No, beta, 3 is not a factor of 55. 55 has 4 factors. I'm telling you. Chalo, I'm writing it here on the board. Look at this. Factors of 55 are 1, 5, 11. 55 is divisible by 11. 11 के टेबल में आता है. And 55 itself. So 55 is
Forget that.
composite. No problem, beta, कोई बात नहीं. So 55 is a composite number. Chalo, very good. Your answer is correct. It is a composite number. Okay. So do the third part.
Sir,
Yes.
I've done all.
You've done all the parts.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Chalo, everyone start doing the third part. In the third part, the number is 51. So first of all, write down the factors of 51. 1, 3, 17, and 51 itself. Again, it is a composite number. Again, 51 is a composite number. Okay. The next part, fourth part. Maybe start with the fourth part.
Yes, sir.
$59 factors of 59 are 1 and 59 itself. 59 has only 2 factors, 1 and 59 itself. Is it a composite number or a prime number?
Sir, it
A
is
prime number.
It is a prime number.
Very good, very good, very good. Excellent. You all have understood the definition that means. Prime numbers have only 2 factors. So 59 has only 2 factors, therefore it is a prime number. 59 is a prime number. Very good. Fifth part. The number is 91. Factors of
So composite
91.
number. 1, 7, 30, 91.
Very good. Who has answered?
So then,
Hridyansh. Very good. So factors of 91 are 1, 7, 13, and 91 itself. 7 and 13 are also factors of 91. Sometimes it is a little difficult to find out the factors, but you will have to do some hard work in finding the factors of such numbers. कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है the number is a prime number because you are only able to find only 2 factors, but sometimes it is not like that. जैसे कि in this case 7 and 13 are the factors of 91. So that means it has 4 factors. It is a composite number. Okay. Maybe start with the new part. Next part. Sixth one. Acha, you all do try the sixth one on your own. Chalo, I'm doing it. Not much time is left. 97. Factors of 97 are 1 and 97 itself. कोई और नहीं है. Only 1 and 97 are the factors of 97.
The prime numbers.
So it is a
Prime number.
Prime number.
very good. 97 is a prime number. Have you all understood the concept of prime numbers and composite numbers? हमेशा याद
Yes,
रहेगा.
sir.
It is very important. आपकी हायर क्लासेस में भी बार बार इसका यूज, प्राइम नंबर्स तो बहुत ही कॉमन सी चीज है, बार बार इसका यूज होता रहेगा. ओके, प्राइम एंड कंपोजिट, रिमेंबर इट ऑलवेज.